Hi, my name is Victoria Ferrer, and I want to personally welcome you to Successful Solution Method, a program that actually helps people get real results, regardless of where you are in your business. We have active members right now who have never made a single dollar online, who are getting results in their first week, and seasoned entrepreneurs with existing profitable businesses who are saving more time than ever. But what this program offers more than anything else is simplicity. It literally takes all the hype and fluff out of what everyone else is teaching, eliminates all the things that waste your time, and gives you the exact step-by-step tasks that you need to complete with as little as 1 to 2 hours per day to get results. So if you can commit to 1 hour to 2 per day, then this can work for you too. I guarantee this is like nothing you've experienced before, because this is more than just a results-based system. This is truly a community of people who are committed to helping each other get results. And if you're ready to be part of a community like ours, but have some questions you need answered, I want to personally invite you to reach out to me using the information below. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this video, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Have a wonderful and prosperous year.